Yes, we have installed here 88 LONGi Hi-MO X10 new series panels at this site. Along with that, we have used one 30kW hybrid Ultra inverter with a combination of 26 modules which are 3.6 kilowatt batteries. That's what we have installed at the site today. It is a long process because it's a commercial site and it's very hard to install during the business usual hours. But we tried our best and we installed the system in a week. And with this installation, we make sure that it didn't interrupt the business, but also we made the installation smoothly, not to interrupt the business, but also to make sure the customer is happy with the installation process. I think we recommended the SolaX strongly to this customer, being the combination of the LONGi panels which are anti-shading, and also the SolaX. By the look of it, we can double size the panels with the inverter. That helps us to recommend with a 30kW inverter and double size the panels, and also maximize the battery storage. That's how we recommended SolaX. With all the recommendations we have done as per the consumption to the site, we couldn't achieve the maximum system due to the limitations of the roof. But what we have recommended to the client is to potentially install the maximum solar PV with a given space. As per the installation of 44 kilowatt solar with an average generation of at least 4 hours of sun. And overall in a year, it should definitely save not less than close to $40,000 as it is used maximum potential of solar, and nothing is going back because we got a 100 kilowatt battery. So every kilowatt that is being generated is used at the site, not sold to the grid. That's how we are confident that he is going to use the maximum potential of the battery and solar. At this site, we have installed a 44 kilowatt solar with a 100 kilowatt battery, meaning the return on investment for any business to understand. Literally, to the given scenario, the energy companies are charging close to 55 to 60 cents per kilowatt for the peak consumption. So given that, if you do the calculation, a 44 kilowatt system should generate roughly around 176 kilowatts a day. Overall in a day, and that comes to 1 year. If you calculate 55 cents per kilowatt, it should come around $40,000 a year and net saving. Compared to 3 years, return on investment is done in 3 years. That's a good saving. On top of it, we have recommended the client to install 2 EV chargers because he was so passionate to help his clients while they're having the food. He can help the customers to get the EV charged. So we have recommended to install 2 of the SolaX 22 kilowatt EV charger, which is AC chargers, and that will help the clients to charge their cars while they are enjoying the time with their family. At Solar&Solar, we take much more research in recommending the best products to the client. And yes, why SolaX? SolaX has got a huge establishment. They're operating in the market for more than a decade, from 2012, and they are from Guangzhou in China. But more than anything else, they got 3,000 employees, and also they got live local support anywhere they are operating. They are operating from 2012, and that proves that it's more than like 14 years in the industry. That's a big confidence for me to support. But not just that, they spend really more than 50% of their revenue on R&D. That proves their commitment to the industry, that they last forever. And also, not just that, whenever we need them, they are just a call away with the local team support that comes to the site and help us. And for any retailers and installation team, that gives a peace of mind. SolaX is the best. And we have installed many, and this is one of them. That's why we strongly recommend SolaX. And if it's SolaX, you can relax, right? And with Solar&Solar, we make your roof work for you.